Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Z900. This naked sport inline cylinder 4 just arrived with only 6,900 miles. Super cool body styling, big power out of this 900cc inline 4-cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in beautiful shape. It's got an awesome sounding Leo Vinci exhaust, fender eliminator, a lot of nice upgrades to the accessories. Come on by, check it out. Price to sell at just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.